also known as no bond resonance. No bond resonance. Also known as Nathan-Baker effect. Nathan-Baker or Braken? I think it is Braken. Let me just confirm it. Yeah, Nathan-Braken. Baker rather is a Baker. Nathan-Baker's effect.
Sir, it's your voice low today or something else?
My voice is low. I'm asking, is it low?
It was low.
It was low. उसको voice modulation बोलते हैं सलमान. You know voice modulation?
Now it's okay. Now it's okay.
No, it's okay. Okay. Right. So hyperconjugation, no bond resonance, or Nathan-Baker's effect. Nathan-Baker's effect. Okay. So please take a few points. Okay. A few points regarding hyperconjugation. Few points regarding hyperconjugation. As number of hyperconjugating structures increases, stability of molecule increases. Stability increases. Okay, stability increases. It determines the stability of carbocation, free radical, carbocation, free radical, and what? An alkene. And alkenes. Okay, this is very important. Alkenes is very important. I will be asking you in the next chapter, hydrocarbons also. What determines the stability of alkene? Okay, what determines the stability of alkene? So, what is hyperconjugation? How it happens? First, we have looked what it is used for and how it happens now. How it happens? Please write delocalization of conjugated CH sigma bond, CH sigma bond, or otherwise CH sigma electrons. Sigma electrons, that means those electrons which are participating in sigma bond formation. Sigma electrons with pi bond, sigma electrons with pi bond, or you can also have positive charge or free radical. Is known as what? Hyperconjugation. Is known as hyperconjugation. Please write this down. Let me know if you're done. Wait a second. Yeah. Hamza is done. Waiting for others. Hiba, Khalid, Sulman. Yes, Hiba and Salman.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Salman, you are done.
Yeah, yes, sir. I've done.
All right. Conditions for hyperconjugation. How will you identify it? Okay. Conditions. For hyperconjugation. Conditions for hyperconjugation. So the number one, the first condition is that compound should have at least one sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, should have at least sp1 at least one sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, hybridized carbon atom. This sp2 hybridized carbon atom can be found only in alkene. Alkene will have sp2 hybridized carbon atom, or carbocation, or you will have p radical. If it is sp2, that means the steric number should be how much? Steric number should be 3, right? Steric number should be 3. So for example, alkene, you have so this is an alkene. As you can see, both of these carbons are what? sp2 hybridized. Let us see for carbocation, carbon, hydrogen, 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 and there is a positive charge. There are 3 surrounding atoms here, right? So let us see. Okay, steric number. How many sigma bond? There are 3 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair. That is why it is 3, and that is why the hybridization will be sp2. Here also 3 sigma plus 0 lone pair. That is why steric number is how much? 3. Hybridization will be sp2. Free radical is similar. Hydrogen, 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 and this is a free radical here. Now here also how many sigma bond? 3 sigma plus 0 lone pair. That means steric number is equal to 3, and hence hybridization is equal to sp2. I hope you guys understand this, why hybridization is sp2 here. Okay, we have done valence bond theory. We have also done VSEPR. We have also done steric number and hybridization. Let me know if you're done. The first condition.
Done, sir.
Done. इसी में आप लोग अब सवाल लिखिए छोटा सा, है ना? Identify the sp2 hybridized carbon in following. Okay, sp2 hybridized carbon in following. Number 1. I'm writing the bond line structure. Okay. Can you identify here? Tell me. Here you have 1, 2, and 3. Which carbon atom is sp2 hybridized?
The second one.
Second one. Okay. Okay. What are the atoms which are attached to the second carbon? What are the atoms which are attached to second carbon atom? Tell me.
Hydrogen.
How much should be? How many hydrogen?
2 hydrogens.
2 hydrogens. बिहारी हैं एकदम, आप बिहारी हैं क्या? 2 हाइड्रोजन तो 4 बॉन्ड हो जाएंगे ना?
Sorry, sir. Okay.
First of all, if it is sp2 hybridized, then how many atoms should be attached to this particular carbon? How many atoms should be attached? कितने अटैच होने चाहिए अगर sp2 चाहिए तो? स्टेरिक नंबर देखिए भाई, कहाँ खोए हुए हैं आप लोग? बताइए अब. If it is sp2 hybridized, then how many surrounding atoms should be there?
3.
3. This second carbon atom, it already has this carbon atom and this carbon atom as its surrounding atom. There will be another, which will be hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen is implicit. It is not explicitly written. It is implicitly understood. Please write the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then, sir, first one answer will be?
2. Answer is right.
Oh,
Answer is
two.
right, but 2 only. But you guys, when I asked now, what are the atoms attached? That was not right. I mean, Hamza only answered, but still it was not right. Yeah. Write the questions, then I will ask you individually. Okay. Okay. Are you guys done writing? Tell me. Are you guys done writing the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, everyone. Keep the mic on. Turn the mic on, all of you. Hiba and Khalid, if your internet is not very good now, then you can keep the mic off. Okay. Hiba. So tell me in the first one, which is sp2 hybridized, all of you? Which is sp2 hybridized? In the first one.
First
अरे, अभी तो
one,
answer
two.
Sir, two.
2. In the second one,
Two again.
Two.
2. Only 2?
And three.
2 and
3
3.
also ना? 3 also ना? Okay, fine. हाँ हिबा, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा, हल्के हल्के बोल रही, सुन के क्या? सेकंड इसमें बताइए, तीसरे वाले में, थर्ड में हिबा बताएंगी। हिबा टेल मी।
Second one.
सेकंड वन, जिसमें कुछ थोड़ा अलग हो रहा है वही हो गया यहाँ पे। फोर्थ में,
The third one.
ओके नाउ फिफ्थ में, ऑल ऑफ यू, फिफ्थ में
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Okay, so 2 and 3, fine. 2 and 3. So all of you can identify this. Okay. Just don't want to mark these things. Okay. Second condition, right? Second condition. The alpha carbon or carbons, the alpha carbon or alpha carbons with respect to the sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybrid carbon should have at least one hydrogen atom. Should have at least one hydrogen atom. For example, let us see that, for example, if you have something like this, CH3, here you have CH2, there's a positive charge here.
Sir,
Here
what
you have
is the
hydrogen.
first word you wrote?
The alpha carbon, this is D.
Oh.
The alpha carbon. Okay. So please don't write now. Please listen. Please listen. So the alpha carbon with respect to sp2 hybrid carbon should have at least one hydrogen atom. So first of all, you have to identify which is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. For example, if you have a double bond, something like this, then you will have, let's say CH3, and there will be a double bond here. Okay. So sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. It should have. There should be the alpha carbon. What is the alpha carbon? Do you know what is alpha carbon? Alpha carbon means adjacent carbon. What does alpha mean? Alpha means adjacent. Okay. Beta means adjacent to alpha. है ना, alpha के adjacent जो होगा. Then gamma means adjacent to beta. Okay, but you don't need beta and gamma. You just need alpha. Okay, you just need alpha. That means alpha means what? Alpha carbon with respect to sp2. That means adjacent to sp2 there should be a carbon atom. Yes or no? Adjacent to sp2 there should be a carbon atom. And that atom should have what? That carbon atom should have one hydrogen atom. How many? At least how many?
At least
One.
one.
At least one hydrogen atom. So tell me, see, in this structure here, in this structure, we have, this is the carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized, and we have this one which is what? This is the alpha carbon. Yes or no? This is the alpha carbon,
Yes, sir.
and this has how
Yes,
many
sir.
hydrogen? How many hydrogens are
Three.
there in the alpha? Yeah, very good. See, how many alpha hydrogens are there? 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
3, na?
Yes.
What about here? This is what? This is your sp2, and this is your alpha carbon. Now tell me how many alpha hydrogens are there?
So 3.
3.
Here also alpha hydrogens is 3. Okay,
Yeah.
please write these 2 down, then we will do the questions. Write these 2 down.
Sir, one quick question. When I unmuted, did you hear fan sound?
I did not realize. Can you turn the fan on? Is it on?
Yeah, it is on.
I cannot hear it. Can anyone else hear it?
Oh, okay.
No, sir.
That's interesting. Okay.
Have you got a new headphone?
No, I
What?
put in some settings in the PC. Yeah, that's right.
In Zoom, there is an option of noise cancellation and reduction
Yeah,
of
but
noise.
doesn't work so good. Like once you talk, it'll even cancel your voice.
I mean, it's on for me.
Yeah, no, if you put it on high, sometimes it goes off like that.
Achha, I have not put it on high, I guess.
I have studio audio right now.
Okay. So it is canceling the right thing then in your case. Audio setting. It is high only. Suppress background noise. It is auto low. That is faint. Mediums, computer, fan, pen, and tabs. Pen tabs can be suppressed, and high typing and. Achha, let me see now for typing. So I'm typing something, okay, and you will tell me whether you can hear it or not. Can you hear this?
I could not hear, sir.
There is no voice. Achha.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now let us get back to the questions that we wrote here, okay? And what do we need to do here? We need to, I will ask you to calculate the number of alpha hydrogens, okay? First of all, you will identify what are the alpha carbons or alpha carbon. Then what you will do? You will tell me the number of alpha hydrogens, fine? Identify the number of alpha hydrogen. For this, first you will identify the alpha carbon.
Sir, how to calculate that in 2 carbons? I mean, 2 sp2 carbons. Like in the second one.
For each you will calculate ना.
Oh,
2
okay,
के लिए
sir.
इतना, 3 के लिए इतना. Number of alpha hydrogen in following. Number of We need 2 more classes and then we will be done with this chapter. 2 more classes. I was looking at aromaticity. I think aromaticity is there, but it is not in this chapter. It is in hydrocarbons, I guess. Let me know if you guys are done, okay? Yeah, it is in hydrocarbons.
Sir, did you discuss anything when I was out?
No. I did discuss nothing. I was just asking them to let me know when they are done with this question.
Yeah, okay, I'm done.
Okay. I hope you guys are not stuck. Is there anyone who is stuck? No, na?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you see how, how important quantum number is? Organic आ गया, लेकिन sp नहीं छूट रहा है ना? sp2 hybridized. I mean, you will know hybridization only if you know quantum numbers, sp, sp2, those things. Quantum number is the base. If someone is weak in quantum numbers, their whole chemistry will be weak except the physical chemistry part, that is states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium. Those parts will be fine, more or less. कहीं कहीं वहां भी आ जाता है, लेकिन hydration, enthalpy and all somewhere it's down. Let me know if you're done, okay?
Done, sir.
Okay. All of you are done? Let me know if you're done. Salman is done. What about Hiba? Yes, Hiba.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. So tell me for the first one. First of all, the alpha carbon. What are the alpha carbon here?
Sir, 1 and 3.
1 and 3, all of you, right? This is the alpha carbon. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And here 1 and 4. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And here 1 and 3.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Here 2 and 4.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here 1 and 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here how many alpha hydrogens?
6.
2.
2. कौन बोला 2?
4.
4. Hi,
Yeah.
hi.
Okay.
How 4? This is carbon now. This carbon will have 3 hydrogens because it is in the terminal. This carbon should have 4 bonds. It already has 1 bond. This also carbon has 1 bond. So the other 3 bonds will be with hydrogen.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
And here also how many alpha hydrogen is equal to 6, na? The
6.
total
Yes,
alpha 6. What about here? Alpha hydrogen?
5.
5.
5. What about here? Alpha hydrogen?
5 again.
5.
5. What about here? Alpha hydrogen?
4.
4. Very good. आप लोग का आया Hiba and Khalid. What about you guys?
Yes, sir.
Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So just write a point. Number of hyperconjugating structure. Hyperconjugating. Directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogens. Okay, the number of alpha hydrogens. And as you know, stability is directly proportional to number of hyperconjugating structures, directly proportional to number of alpha hydrogen. Hence, we can say stability directly proportional to what? Directly proportional to alpha hydrogen. Some number of alpha hydrogen.
Sir, what is HCS again?
समझ
Oh,
गए?
okay. Yes, sir.
Now, rather than giving you guys what is hyperconjugation in the text, let me show you a video. कहाँ रखते हैं हम video? Organic chemistry videos. Later, sir. There was a video. Where is it now? SN1, SN2, reactivity of metals, 12th OChem, books. There is no video. Sad life. Books. Nothing here, nothing here. Videos, technician miscellaneous, PPTs, atomic structure, batteries, books. Old laptop. I see uncategorized. It is here. Get this to OChem.
Sir, what is this?
You see this?
No, we can't see that.
Let me share that then. Can you see these now?
Yes, sir.
So, can you see
Yes,
that
sir.
there is a methyl cation and ethyl cation? Can you identify that? So this is methyl cation. That means this is carbon here. And there are only 3 hydrogens. That means one carbon means what? Meth, and methyl because it is not. It is CSC. That is why it is methyl. Okay, and there are positive charge. Here you have the same thing, but you have a carbon here also. That means how many carbons? There are 2 carbons, hence it is eth. This is ethyl cation. इतना समझ में आया आपको?
Yes,
You
sir.
guys got that? Okay, हाँ, अच्छा है। हम लोग ऐसे बोल रहे सर अब क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, बहुत आगे निकल चुके हैं हम लोग अब इससे। ठीक है, fine. Just look at this. Let's play it out. Yeah. Now this is the diagram. Okay, what are these two? These two are the empty p orbitals. Okay, one more thing. I hope I know that you know them. You know these things. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is carbon. Again here this is carbon, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. Yeah. All of you know this now? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Just making sure, not just making sure. And you know this is p orbital because this, why is this p orbital vacant? Because we have sp2 na. sp2, that means initially there was s and you had like this, and this s and this 2p, they formed hybrid orbitals like this. And now this p is what? This p is vacant. This p is vacant. Can you guys, okay, you understood this now? Where this, from where this p is coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Hybridization याद आ गया? ठीक है, very good. Okay. Now I can play this. Can I? Yeah, I think I can. Okay, these are the vacant p orbitals on the carbocation. This is what? This is the sp3 bond. sp3 bond, na? It looks like sp3. Hai ki nahi? Or you know?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is the bond. The bond. There will be electrons there. Okay. CH bonding electrons, है ना? It is on the neighboring alkyl group. That means you have to have a carbon and there are a hydrogen bond. You guys understand what is happening? अरे हाँ या ना तो बोलिए.
Not the last part, sir. That
The yellow
वो
part,
electron.
I don't understand.
ये अच्छा ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर उधर कैसे चले जा रहे हैं देखिए. See here you have what? There is electron density here. There is electron density here. Okay. So they are showing this electron density as two particles, but actually it is wave, right? It is wave. And here there is what? Here you don't have any electron. That means in a sea of negative charges, you have a vacancy here. That means it is a positive charge here. There is positive charge. So these electrons can get attracted toward this positive charge, and for some time they will be in this orbital. Okay. For some time they will be in this orbital. That's what it is showing here. That's the only thing. Now you understand?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So for some time, what happens? A bit of electron density, a bit of electron cloud, it goes. And if it is going to this orbital, so it is vacant. But what does orbital need? Orbital needs electron. So as soon as the electron are coming, it is getting more stabilized. It is getting more stabilized. Okay. But no such thing is happening here. No such thing is happening here. Why? Because as you can see, the orientation of electrons is not very good. Right? See, here you have very good orientation. That means there is a bond like this, vacant bond, and then you have slight shift of angle. But here the electron density, they can exchange. But where is the electron density here? The electron density is here. Even if they are going to exchange, there will be zero overlapping kind of situation. Yes or no? The symmetry will not be matching. That is why if you don't have alpha carbon, there will be no such hyperconjugation. Okay. Now, when the electrons are leaving the CH bond, that means that bond is temporarily breaking. है कि नहीं? If the electrons are getting bond में electron ही होते हैं, electron ही चले जा रहे तो bond कहाँ से बचेगा, right? So for temporarily what is happening? That particular bond is breaking. That is why we say that it is no bond resonance. It is like resonance, but it is what? No bond resonance. Okay. So this is hyperconjugation. Now let us also write what is happening in paper. So for example, you have the same thing that we had now. We had carbon. And this is the p orbital here. So what happens? It's a positive charge. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Also we have hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay. So this bond breaks. Now when the CH bond will break, what will happen? The carbon, its electron density will go here and you will form something like this. Carbon with a double bond, carbon. Momentarily speaking, H plus. Okay, momentarily speaking, will form this particular molecule. There will be H plus. Then again, what will happen? This will go attack the H plus, and there will be again. Now it can go both of these sides. Right. So this hydrogen, if this hydrogen is attacked by this carbon takes the hydrogen, then you will have here, then the positive charge will go here. Okay. Got this? Now see, as this hydrogen is giving the electron density, similarly, what can happen? This hydrogen can also give electron density. this hydrogen can also give electron density. Okay, that means if the number of alpha hydrogens are increasing, it means that the probability of electron reaching the positively charged carbocation, to stabilize it, probability of electron reaching the positively charged carbocation to stabilize it increases with increase in number of alpha hydrogen. Okay, increase in number of alpha hydrogen. Let me know if you're done. Okay. Hiba is done. Waiting for others. All of you done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have already written that alpha hydrogen of hyperconjugated, it is used to determine and
Just check if
Sir,
you're
your voice is low.
अच्छा ये मेरा ईयरफोन कर दो. Sorry. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
So I was saying that we have already seen hyperconjugation is used to tell the stability of what? Free radical, carbocation, and alkenes also. Okay, alkyls also. So if I ask, so now whenever you want to tell the stability, what you will do, you will compare the number of alpha hydrogens. Okay, you have to compare the number of alpha hydrogen in the following. Compare the stability of following. Compare the stability of following. Number 1. CH3 positive. A. CH2. CH3. This is positive. This is B. Carbon, and you have H. You have 2 CH3s in the positive charge. And if you have carbon, CH3, 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 and this has a positive charge here. CH3 free radical, CH2 CH3 free radical, CHC CH3 CH3 free radical, and if you have carbon, CH3 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 free radical, A, B, C, D. Third, stability of alkenes. You can have CH2, double bond CH2, B, carbon, double bond carbon, CH3, CH3, hydrogen and hydrogen. And also have carbon, CH3, CH3, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay, write these questions. Let me know when you're done. Okay, A, B, C, D. This guy is done.
Done, sir.
Okay, so tell me, in the first case, what will be the order?
Sir, D will be the greatest, and then C, then B, then A.
Yes, everyone, the same answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For the second also, same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about the third one? A, and after that,
C.
tell me what is the order?
B, C.
A, C,
A.
D.
A, and after that,
B.
B, and after that, C. Why?
Yes.
The
Sir,
alpha hydrogens are
because
same.
cis that B is cis isomers and C is trans
Very good, very
isomers.
good, very good, very good. Yes, Hiba, did you write that also? Same thing?
Yes, sir.
Cis and trans. C. B is what? Cis. C is trans. And we have seen earlier that trans is more stable, cis is less stable. Why? Due to steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance. Hai na? Yes or
Yes,
no?
Yes, sir.
We have done this now. We have done this. Okay. So see, most of these, most of you, I mean, yeah, most of these syllabus for this chapter is done. Let me get the syllabus. Where is the syllabus? Where is the syllabus? Can you see this? I've shared the PDF only. Na?
Yes, sir.
बताइए अब देखिए हम लोगों ने ये कर लिया सम बेसिक प्रिंसिपल टेक्निक्स में जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन क्लासिफिकेशन आईपैक नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट रेजोनेंस हाइपर इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट नहीं किया ठीक है उसको करा दो कोई ये बात नहीं है हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन राइट टिल हियर इज डन
Yes, sir.
होमोलिटिक हेटेरोलिटिक फिशन कर लिया हम लोगों ने पहले ही है ना
Yes, sir.
फ्री रेडिकल इज डन देयर स्टेबिलिटी इज आल्सो डन
Yes, sir.
कार्बोकेटायन carbanion is left carbanion is left okay because we have not done carbanion stability we have seen carbanion when we are doing homolytic and heterolytic fission but we have not done the stability of carbanion then electrophiles and nucleophiles are done
Yes,
yes or
sir.
no then remains types of organic reaction okay so there are some basic types of organic reaction that we will just know by name and the application of those reaction will be here I mean in the set hydrocarbons kahan gaya hydrocarbon aapka see here you have addition reaction hai na this is one type of reaction that you will have okay then see you will have oxidation reaction electrophilic addition in alkenes aromatic hydrocarbons mein, you will have see this is substitution yeah substitution reaction hai na substitution addition hai na so those type of reaction so we will just know the name in first term few examples here and there so that you can identify hai na main thing is that you can identify as you, if you will see here now what we are doing the major part is identifying which is what and what is what है ना then only the effect comes okay so this is it for today next we will learn about carbanions okay next we will learn about carbanions and we will also touch upon electromeric effect we will also touch upon electromeric effect okay we'll touch upon electromeric effect okay this is it for today do you have any doubt if you have, want to ask something
Sir,
let me know
the software you said Avogadro,
हाँ
does it require some special conditions?
नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं चाहिए रहता लेकिन
Because
think
I
a little
downloaded that, but it was not working.
I
It
think a
said
little
some
bit
problem.
GPU you need.
अरे
Like,
नहीं भाई no no it doesn't need gpu EPU कुछ नहीं चाहिए but if you want to visualize a molecule na then you can also do online there is a site which is known as webmo I guess webmo ये इसमें ऑनलाइन था, ऐसा कहाँ गया? ऑनलाइन हाँ, ये तो नो chemistry molecule visualization software. पाई मोल तो नहीं चाहिए होगा ना? हाँ, मोल भी आ रहा है। You see this?
Yes, sir.
So this is moleview.org. Okay. But यहाँ पे I don't think you can do much optimization and all, because it is all, let's see. You can add hydrogen. If you want to change, you can select oxygen, and then if you click on hydrogen, it will get oxygen. Then I think here you need to bond those with hydrogen. And for tools model, Bostic model, yeah, I don't think you can do optimization. Optimization थोड़ा जरूरी होता है. You don't know what is optimization. You will not know optimization because you learn these things only in the final year BSc or the first year of MSc. Depends on which college you are in. But yeah, optimization is not here. You can't do optimization here. WebMO में कर सकते हैं optimization, but WebMO requires more knowledge. Okay, but just for visualization, tell me.
What do you say? Venom? What?
WebMO.
Oh, web.
Okay. Okay, so see, but you can visualize small molecules, and it will be fine. And it is fine.
Yes, sir.
ना काफी सही है ना? So you can visualize if you want to visualize these things. So one thing that just see, let me get this as hydrogen. Delete कहाँ से होता है ये? अच्छा, पूरा delete हो जाएगा. 2D to 3D. Okay. So in tetrahedral structure, if you see it is very symmetric structure. See, it seems like it is not symmetric, that this carbon is upside and this carbon is downside, and you want tell me which carbon should I pick and get it up. So we have this carbon as up now. I'm holding this carbon now, and I'm getting this up. It is completely same, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is very symmetric structure. Tetrahedral is very symmetric. It seems like it is something weird structure, but it is very symmetric structure. कोई भी कार्बन को आप लीजिए, वो कार्बन आप ऊपर ले जाइए, बाकी सारा स्ट्रक्चर फिर से वही आ जाएगा. सी. So you can use this if you want to use for small molecules. Okay.
Okay, sir.
है ना? If you can